Hello everybody, this is Kent C, and once again I'm here just to kind of show you how the DELL System and Upgrade Utility, or DELL SBUU, works. So we're going to kind of go past, we're actually loading into a DELL Poweredge 1950 right now, as you can see. The vendor, it's a little blurry on the screen, guys, sorry. There you go, a little better view. Okay, so we're loading up the ISO right now. This is what it's going to look like beforehand. Alright, it's going to show that. You're going to have those options. You're going to be able to scroll through and make your choice. And then you're going to want to go ahead and do this right here, okay. So there's your options. And you just want to go ahead and do this one. And it'll load up, and once it starts, then you're good to go. Let's go ahead and stop the video here, because as you can tell, it's going to begin loading here shortly. Hello, this is Kent C. Here using the DELL System Build and Update Utility. We didn't have the splash screen show up here, but we are going to show you real quick how this one will work. Come back. Okay guys, we're back here. Here's the DELL System Build and Update Utility. I'm using this version for Poweredge 1950, so I can get the OS that I need, which is Windows Server 2003 R2. Okay, so I'm gonna just, okay, as you can tell, a lot of stuff isn't set up, but what I really need is right here. Okay, so I'm going to continue. Yeah, see? And the reason I'm using this is because when you try Windows Server 2003 Service Pack 2 x64 edition, it doesn't recognize the actual RAID. This is on a perk. Depending on your adapter, it's like LSI, so the drivers aren't recognized by Windows, so you have to install it into the OS beforehand, or you could use this utility. Okay, see how it already knows what to find and already kind of tells you how to go about doing it. Okay. Okay, configure the disk partition. Okay, so that's going to be your actual OS partition. You want to go ahead and set it to max. I'm going to go ahead and continue. Okay, that's how you know. That's what you got to set up for your NIC. You're going to set up static, or you could use DHCP. Okay, that's if you need to enter anything in beforehand, we're just going to leave it as it is. We're definitely not going to install that, but we are going to install that. You want to install that. Okay, that's the layout. That's going to tell you what it's going to build. That version. There's the hard drives. Go ahead and save this. Okay, and apply now. You can see that it's going through its different segments. You can see that it's doing its build, and we will check on this in a little while here. Okay guys, so at this point you will go through the DELL System Build and Update Utility when installing this version, okay? And we're going to go ahead and do that and see what happens. Okay, so we went ahead and we put in the disk. So it's locating it. We're using, like I said, a Poweredge 1950 for this install here with the 2.5 SAS. Okay. See now that it's copying over. Okay, let me just show you real quick the actual disk. Okay, so that's the actual disk that I used. You're going to want to use this when you're doing your data installs. Like I said, it's 2014 December, so the OS is still not at the end of life, but it is slowly coming to that, but we're still going to do a demo on this. And you can see that it's going through the install, and we'll check here in a little bit and see what happens. Thank you. Hey guys, so here you go. And there it is. That's how it works. And once you get to this point, you know that you've done the actual real install. That's how that one works. Once you see this, it will actually load the OS, and then whatever you set on the install will work. This is Ken C. Thank you very much. This is how you use this disk to do your install. You're going to want to use this for your Windows Server 2003 installs on your DELL Poweredges, due to the fact that unless you want to load, like I said, the RAID driver, so your controller shows up when you're just doing your basic Windows Server 2003 R2 or just 2003 installs. Alright, thank you very much.